Hey guys, this is Zach here at Uptown Barbers, where we use Layrite product every day. And today I'm gonna show you how I pair our grooming spray with our natural matte cream. This is our grooming spray paired with our natural matte cream. Our natural matte cream works best with fine to medium hair. First, we started with our grooming spray applied evenly throughout the hair. Once we've primed the hair with our grooming spray, we blow dried to give us some structure, to give us some more construction of the end shape that we're gonna be creating once we apply our matte cream. Once we have our blow dry done, then you get about a dime size worth of the natural matte cream, emulsify it evenly in the hair, and then start raking. I like to start on the part side to make sure that I disperse from the long hair to the short hair, and then I work my way from the front back, raking the hair through with the product. Once I have the product completely in the hair, I go in with a comb and I fine tune and give it some more structure. My favorite thing about the grooming spray is that when you spray it on first, you're really priming the hair for the product that's going to come after. Adding the grooming spray and a nice blow dry is going to help really keep that hair structured throughout the day to give you that long lasting hold and matte finish. Hey, thanks for sticking around. This is how I use our grooming spray and our natural matte cream together to achieve a style. If you want to look at more of our product or pick some up yourself, go to layrite.com.